Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So go to Figma and open up a slide. What you're gonna do next is increase its width and size and length. Let's put it into the middle and let's add a rectangle right here. Let's adjust its size, change its color, change the background color. Now what you have to do is insert one of the pictures from any website and you're gonna paste it onto that rectangle. Let's increase its size. Let's change the background color according to the picture. Now let's adjust the stuff and let's add a text box, a rectangle, and we're gonna change its color. Let's place it onto the front of this picture. Now decrease its size. Go to gradient in its color and change the gradient stops position. Give the following color. There you go. Now what we're gonna do next is give this corner a gradient as well. Let's decrease the color. Add more gradient stop and change this color to blue. Very light blue. And there you go. And now what we're gonna do is select the rectangle and we're gonna adjust it into the middle. Now let's add some text into it. Select the text and change its color to white. Now let's increase its size. And let's send it to the forward. Let's adjust it. And let's select the text and change its font. And we're gonna increase its size more and let's change its color as well. And what we're gonna do next is change its font and adjust it. Let's increase its size more. Change the color to light white. Let's move it onto this corner. Let's change its font again. There you go. So now let's increase its size. That's it, what you had to do. So this was the final result. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos like these. You can add more text if you want in it. So that was all in this video for today.